In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Greek-inspired meatball meal prep. Let's get cooking. We're gonna make Greek-style meatballs stuffed with feta cheese, fresh herbs, traditional Mediterranean flavors, and on the side, we're gonna make a Greek-style salad. Even though summer's coming to an end, this is gonna remind you of a delicious summer meal. Let's start by making our meatballs. We're gonna start with half a pound extra lean ground beef. The first thing that we wanna do is get this seasoned. This is the only time you're gonna be able to season beef, so we gotta make sure that we get it in here now. A generous pinch of kosher salt and some fresh cracked black pepper will do the trick. Now we're gonna add in our binding ingredients. Here we have half a cup of panko breadcrumbs and 1 whole egg. We're also gonna need half of a medium red onion that we finely diced, 60 grams of feta cheese that we're gonna crumble in, and in true Nick's Kitchen fashion, we probably should have used a bigger bowl. We're also gonna need 2 cloves of minced garlic, some dried oregano, about a teaspoon, and our Mediterranean fresh flavor, mint. We're gonna use about 2 tablespoons. Using your hands, we're just gonna combine this all together until it's all well combined. Be careful not to over mix this or your meatballs will be too dense. You just wanna combine all the ingredients together. For this next step, you're gonna need a scale, and because this is a meal prep, we wanna try to be accurate with our meatballs. You don't have to do this, you can skip this step, but this is what I like to do. I'm gonna place this on our scale, and I'm gonna try to pick up the entire mixture. This is gonna give me a negative reading. That's how many grams this mixture weighs. I have 772 grams here. This recipe should make about 20 meatballs, so we're just gonna ask Siri to divide 772 by 20, and then we're going to make meatballs exactly that amount. The easiest trick I know to form meatballs without it getting all stuck to your hand is just to use a little bit of oil. Let's give that a good little rub, and then we can start forming these meatballs. My recipe is 38 grams per meatball. Once your meatballs are all weighed and rolled out, we're gonna pop it into a preheated 400-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes until they've cooked through. And while our meatballs are cooking, let's go ahead and prep our salad. For our salad, we're gonna have to prep 2 cups of cherry tomatoes that we're gonna cut in half, about 2 cups of cucumber. We're also gonna slice this in quarters, about a 1/4 cup of pitted Kalamata olives, and half of a red onion that we're gonna thinly slice. Let's prep our ingredients now. Once all your vegetables are prepped, we're basically gonna make a quick vinaigrette inside of our salad using 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of oregano, and then just a pinch of kosher salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Lastly, we're gonna add a little zest of lemon just to give it some brightness. Probably about half this lemon. Let's just give this a little toss here. Make sure everything gets covered in that delicious vinaigrette. And then we're gonna pull our meatballs out of the oven as they should be cooked by now. Our meatballs are done cooking. Let's get this meal plated up. This meal prep recipe makes 4 servings. We're gonna use a 1/4 of our salad here. And I'm just plating this on top of some rice, but the rice will not be included in the macros, which will be down in the description below. And we're gonna use 5 meatballs. And there you have it, guys. That is how you make a Greek-inspired meatball meal prep. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is incredible. The freshness of the salad with that little bit of lemon coming through. The mint inside the meatballs just screams Mediterranean flavors. I guarantee you that this is going to be a staple in your meal prep for a very long time. That's it for this video, guys. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel with the button down below. Smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what you want to see me make next week. Until next time, get cooking.